A beginner's guide to cryptocurrency investing. Many investors are interested in entering the cryptocurrency market due to the increased interest, adoption, and investment in this field. This introduction to investing in cryptocurrencies will describe it as an asset class and walk you through the fundamentals. Learn about the different types of cryptocurrencies, things to think about before investing, and other information to help you decide if they belong in your portfolio. You'll also find a step-by-step guide to getting started if you decide you're ready to start investing in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency, what is it? A source of purchasing power, cryptocurrency is a type of digital money. It can be purchased with the intention of making money, much like other investment assets, and is also a potential investment option. Despite this, cryptocurrencies are among the most erratic, their prices can swing widely, asset types. The best approach to benefit from this revolutionary technology and its expanding applications is by making long-term investments in cryptocurrencies rather than engaging in speculative trading. Though the future is impossible to foresee, it appears that crypto and the underlying technology will become more commonplace. However, the path leading to a time when using cryptocurrency is commonplace will remain exceedingly difficult. Cryptocurrencies, in contrast to traditional forms of money, are decentralized, which means a centralized organization like the US government does not issue, back, or regulate them. According to Feldman, this decentralization idea is an important feature of its design. Cryptocurrency units, also referred to as coins or tokens, are created digitally through a validation process that depends on blockchain. Blockchain is a potent technology that can be utilized in a wide range of procedures, not just for crypto. Blockchain, often referred to as distributed ledger technology, creates a safe, encrypted record of the value of each virtual coin and the transactions connected to it. In principle, anyone with an internet connection might view the blockchain because those records are dispersed and connected across the network of parties, or computers, accessing it. Many cryptocurrency types. Although there are many various forms of virtual currencies employing blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies are a general name for such. According to CoinMarketCap.com, there were almost 23,000 different kinds as of April 2023. One of the first cryptocurrencies made was Bitcoin, which is still the most well-known. All other coin-based cryptocurrencies are collectively referred to as altcoin, or an alternative to Bitcoin. In recent years, a number of cryptocurrencies have grown prominent profiles, significant market capitalizations, and sizable user and investor bases. Given the youth of many cryptocurrencies and the newness of the crypto ecosystem, it is difficult to predict which coins will be the most successful. These coins are among the biggest, yet there is still a risk. Losses on investments are a real and significant possibility. For instance, most cryptocurrencies had a sharp decline in value in 2022 after experiencing significant gains in 2021. Because of this, it is crucially vital to research each cryptocurrency before making an investment and decide whether it makes sense for you. The best way to invest in cryptocurrencies in 2023. The ability to invest in cryptocurrencies is expanding daily. There are several exchanges that resemble those used for conventional investments. An account can be created in a few minutes. But, like with investing in any asset, it may be a good idea to do some research on a particular currency before making a decision. The following 5 steps will help if you're unsure about how to invest in cryptocurrencies for the first time. In order to get one step closer to your financial freedom, just click on the link below the video. Please like and subscribe our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.